Let's start the next session of the day. This session will need the word builder kit, the letter card, picture card, along with your word builder tool. Do you have your materials with you? Let's all go ahead and open up our word builder kit.
Open.
Are you open the word builder kit? Take a look at your kit and make sure all your letter cards are straight and visible. Yes. And make sure all your letter cards are straight. See each letter here. Are all your letter cards straight now? Can you see them? Today is the first day we are going to learn how to use our word builder kit to build and make words, right? We are going to make words in our word builder tool using the letter card from our kit. And we will be using the picture cards that we have. There are so many picture cards, right? We will be using some picture cards each day and make the words that are there in the picture card. Yes, does it sound exciting? Okay, let me show you the 4 picture cards we will be using today. And I want you to also take these 4 picture cards.
Show me. I didn't cut him in the pictures.
This is our first picture card. This is our second picture card. This is our third picture card. This is our fourth picture card. Do you have these 4 picture cards with you? Did you take them out of your kit, or they were separate in a pouch? Did you take them out from the pouch? There, you have these 4 cards with you?
Yes.
Great. Let's take these cards and keep them in our word builder tool over here at the back, like this. Can you also do this? Great. Take a look at the first word we'll be making today. So let's take this picture card. This is the first one we are going to make today. What is it? Cat. Yes, it's a cat. What sound does a cat make? Yes, it makes the meow sound, right? Yes, this is a cat. Can someone tell me what the beginning sound in the word cat is? Cat. Yes. And do you remember making the word cat in our phonics session? What letter did you use for the cat sound? Can you take a look at your word builder kit and tell me what letter makes the cat sound?
Is it the right one, Aryan?
Yes, it's this letter. Go ahead and take it. Keep it in a tool like this over here. This is the beginning sound. This is the first sound in our word cat. Did you place the letter in your tool? Good. Now, what do you think the next sound in the word cat is? Let's try saying the word. The word is cat. We already have the cat sound. What is the next sound that you hear? Cat. You're right. So the next sound in the word cat is the a sound. Can we find the letter with the a sound? Where is it?
Okay, next.
Yes. Take it.
Next, Aryan.
Keep it in a tool. Here, this is our
next
sound for our word cat. Now, what is the ending sound in the word cat? Can you try saying the word cat? The word is cat. Yes. What is the ending sound? Yes. Let's find the letter. T sound. This is the letter. Take it.
Correct.
Take the letter carefully.
Correct.
Keep it as our ending sound. What is this word? This word is cat. Did you make this word? Cat.
Cap.
Did you find the beginning
Right.
sound? Good job. So, was this easy? Was it difficult for you? Oh, some of you were saying this was
Right.
very easy. You knew all the three sounds of
Next.
the word cat. Some of you were saying slightly difficult.
Next,
and
Arya.
small trouble making this word.
Next.
Oh, that's
What is that?
okay. This is our first session with our word builder kit, right? We're going to be using our word builder kit a lot in all our sessions, and we will get better and better the more we use our kit. You can also go ahead and revise the phonic sounds of the letters we learned in our phonic session so that you know what sound each letter makes. You can quickly spot it.
இதுல இருக்க 2 cards இருக்கு பாரு.
If you still
One
find it difficult to make the word that you see in the picture card, what you can do is take your picture card, take a look at the back. In the back, you will
Put
have the word written like this. So, as you make the word,
correct.
you can
As
check
in
to see
sound.
if you have the same 3 letters. We have cut. Here, we use the same 3 letters. Here, to make
Correct.
the word, right? You can check what you're
Right.
doing in the word, or even before
Right.
you start,
Only one.
take a look at the picture card.
No, Dami, that's not right
Identify
one.
this cat.
Okay, next.
Then you take a look at the back.
And
See the letters. Find each
Next,
letter
last one.
in your kit.
rat, Aryan.
Take the letters and keep it in your tool to make it. So
Next,
in the
what is the last
beginning,
one?
You find it difficult.
Rat.
Do this, and as we keep
Remove
on
all
making
this.
more words in a word builder activity session, we will find it easier to make the words. Right? Okay. We're done with the word cat.
What's the beginning sound of rat?
And put it back.
What's the beginning sound? Rat.
And also put them back. Remember,
No, Dami.
match each letter card to where it's supposed to be in our kit.
What's the beginning sound, Aryan?
So now we are done with the word
Rat.
cat. Let's take a look at our next picture card. What is this? Rat. Yes, this is a rat. It is also an animal.
What's the
right?
sound?
Now, is there something similar with the word rat and cat? They both have the same rhymes in the end, right? Cat and rat both have at, the rhyme at the end of the word. Only the beginning sound is different. So, we already made the word cat, right? Right now, let's only figure out what the beginning sound for the word rat is. What is the beginning sound for the word rat? Can you try saying the word rat?
It's
Beginning
over.
sound? Yes. Where is the letter with the sound?
Super. Arrange பண்ணிருங்க அந்த பிளேஸ்ல அரேஞ்ச்
This
பண்ணிருங்க.
letter.
அந்த பிளேஸ்ல வச்சிருங்க. 2 எங்க?
Our beginning sound. So now we have in the word rat.
Finished.
And what is the rhyme? Our rhyme is at.
Over.
What are the 2 letters that make the at rhyme?
Close
Already
பண்ணிடலாம்,
made the
okay?
word cat, right? You should remember and tell me what are the 2 letters? They are at. Yes. Let's find at and t. Carefully take them out. Keep them in a tool. So what is this word? It's rat. Rat. Did you make the word rat? Good job. Let's take our letter card and put them back.
Yes. Is it over?
Let's put our picture card back. Now let's take a look at our next picture card. So this is the next picture card.
Is it right one? No. Right.
What is this? Yes, it's a cat.
How to fold
Is
this,
there
Aryan?
something there?
Fold பண்ணுங்க. ஆமாடா அந்த cards கொடு.
Yes, where do we wear?
அந்த 4 இத கொடுங்க. இது fold பண்ணுங்க. Fold this.
Yes, caps.
நீ எப்படி fold பண்ணனும் சொல்லி கொடுங்க. அம்மா சொல்லி
This is
கொடுத்தேன்.
the word cap. What is the beginning sound for the word cap? already used the letter K to make the word cat, right? Can we all find
Fold
the letter with the K sound?
ஃபோல்ட் கீழே விழுந்துச்சு பாருமா
That's
அதை எடுத்து வைங்க
one. Take it and keep it in our tool. So now we have K.
விழுந்துச்சு எல்லாமே
What is the next sound in the word cat? It's the A sound. Yes, which is this letter.
கொடுங்க இங்கே மாட்டு சாரி
Keep it. Now, what is the ending sound in the word cat? What is the sound that you hear in the end of the word? P. Yes. Can we find the P letter in our kit? Here it is. Let's take it. And keep it in our tool. So what is this word? This word is cap. Cap. Did you make the word cap? Good. Let's take our letter cards, put them back. Remember to be very careful when you handle your letter cards. We will be using our words in the kit and our letter cards a lot throughout